back to my channel and happy Wednesday. My name is Chelsea. If you're new, today we're going to do a memory spread for the week of November 9th through the 15th. I'll be using the Pretty Pumpkins 6-page weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see full details on this kit, go ahead and check out the haul down below, as well as the link to the specific kit for more details. Make sure to also check all the links down below for the base and the plan with me that go along with this video, and also just some more fun videos. If you want to see how the week went, go ahead and stay tuned. guys, this is the final look for my memory spread of November 9th through the 15th using the Pretty Pumpkins weekly kit from GoldPaperPrints. If you want to see the base layout or the plan with me, make sure to check out links below, as well as details for this kit. And if you made it towards the end of this video, or at the end of this video, make sure to do hashtag base layout Friday in the comments. I'm going to show you the leftovers, and then that's it, guys. So here are the leftovers of the add-ons, and then of the 6-page weekly kit. So I use quite a bit, still using quite a bit. Make sure to also check out my Instagram as well. I post a lot of pictures on there, and you know, let you know when the next videos and everything, so make sure to check out all the links down below. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and make sure that when you do, you hit that notification bell. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be very soon. Happy Wednesday, guys, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye!